Hot girls aren't afraid to make a statement. Let me show you how to create this beautiful blue and orange eyeshadow look. Where'd you go? Hi my beautiful loves, and welcome back to my channel. If you are new here, welcome my babes. I hope you stay a while, and for my OGs, welcome back my honey. Let's get into today's look. Today's look is inspired by Pinterest. It definitely took me out of my comfort zone. I never thought that these two colors would actually work together, but a masterpiece was created. And as usual, I will be listing all the products that I used down in the description box below, so do not worry. Starting strong, we're gonna be priming our eyelids using this Eyeshadow eyeshadow primer. I hope I'm pronouncing it correctly, otherwise forgive me. I have mentioned before that I prefer the white one because it does make the eyeshadow pop that much more. I don't know why specifically I decided to carve out this shape. I feel like I could have just blended it on my eyeshadow and then worked from there, but for some reason my brain works that way, so here it is. Once you're done applying your eye primer, I go in with a little bit of setting powder just to set that eye primer down because I feel like it cracks when I don't do that. That's just me. I was in my Sunday jamming session, so of course I had to pop open a bottle of red wine. Continuing, first color, I'm going in with this bright neon yellow. I'm just placing it at the top outer part of where I primed my eye. This is just to make it pop even more where the other colors are going to be applied. Just dab and apply, dab and apply. Then the second color we're using is this beautiful orange from the You Can Be eyeshadow palette. At this stage, we're just packing on that orange. Use a gentle hand when you do this. I promise you, the more pigmented your eyeshadow palette is, you won't have to use forceful hands, if you know what I mean. Make sure to blend as you incorporate the two colors. Now we're going in with this deep red color from the Color Splash eyeshadow palette. I love this red so much. I feel like it ties in and gives that whole sunset look and vibe to this look. Again, just gentle strokes, gentle patting, and I promise you it will blend seamlessly and the color will pop. Once that's done, I'm going in with my Garnier cleansing water just to help cut the crease. I'm cleaning that section that has eyeshadow on it. Some people are able to avoid that section. I couldn't, so this is what I do instead. That did take a little bit of time because it requires a little bit of precision because I was going for that circular arch shape. Also, don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe. Tell a friend to tell a friend that your girl is on YouTube, and make sure to put in that alert button so you know when your girl is posting so you don't miss anything. ldmusic.com. Then once I was done cleaning out that arch, I went back with my eyeshadow primer. This I used a flat brush with. Definitely you need to take your time with this as well. Also, if you do happen to go overboard, there's always ways to fix it, so do not worry. I made that mistake. It's easy to fix. ldmusic.com. Once I was done applying the eyeshadow primer, I went in again with powder like I did beforehand, just to make sure that the eyeshadow primer is laid and that it is smooth for the next application. Then next we are going in with this beautiful sky or ocean blue color. This look honestly gave me sunset ocean vibes. You know when you see the water and then hitting the sunset, that's what it gave me. Take your time with this part as well. The blue is not as pigmented, so I had to go over and over with it. Now, disclaimer, just because I use this picture as a reference does not mean that it's 100% gonna come out like that. We're just using it as an inspiration, so bear with me please. Then I'm going in with that brush that had the red eyeshadow, and I'm just blending in all the colors so that it works out cohesively or seamlessly. while also maintaining the blue eyeshadow tip. So I'm just going in there just to brighten it up just a little bit more, and then continue on the other side same way. Now, before y'all come for me, I don't know why my eyeliner does this. Both of them have done that. I don't know why they're splitting at the end. Anyway, we're going in with my NYX liner just to create that cat eye effect. If you know me, or if you've been on my channel for a while, you know I'm a sucker for anything cat eye. That time, I don't even know what I'm doing. The way I want to master how to do a cat eye, I'm telling you, it's going to be one of my goals for 2026. Watch this space. Then we're going in with our Maybelline Bubble Colossal Mascara. This has to be one of my favorite mascaras. Literally, the way it just elongates your eyelashes. And as a girlie who barely has any lashes to work with to start off with, baby, when I tell you this is the plug I am putting you on. Then my favorite part is when I remove the tape to see the crisp, clean eyeshadow look. After that, we're just going to use the cleansing water again with an earbud and then just clean out the excess powder. Then next, we're moving on to the face. I'm using two primers, the e.l.f. Grip Primer and the e.l.f. Putty Poreless Primer. These are my go-to. These are my religious primers. I swear by these primers. I actually don't know why I decided to use both the primers at the same time, but I did. Let them dry off a few minutes before you start with your foundation. Then I'm going in with my soldiers, my fighters, my MAC foundation and NARS foundation. This combo is elite. And again, all products will be listed in my description box below with the shades in case you are my shade twin. Also, do you prefer using a foundation brush to apply your foundation, or do you prefer a beauty blender sponge? You let me know in the comment section and why. And then I'm going in with my concealer. This is from NYX in the shade Cappuccino. I normally use a little beauty blender sponge. I'm not sure what these triangular ones are called, but that's what I use to blend that out. It seems to work better than the brush. Then for the lighter concealer, I'm going in with my Ellen Tracy. I probably should try an e.l.f. brand just to see how it goes, because I do like the skin toned one. So we'll give it a go. Others, let me know in the comment section which ones you prefer, and then I'll try it out. To contour, we're going in with a L'Oreal Infallible Long Way Shaping Stick. This just give our face more dimension, more depth, and more structure. For this makeup look, I'm deciding to put the blush before the concealer because I don't want the blush to be the main star per se, since the eyeshadow is so bold and bright. And then we're just gonna blend out everything we have put on our face, starting with the contour. Then we're gonna go with the concealer. Again, I will die on this hill. Having to blend your concealer has to be the most tedious, most strenuous activity known to mankind. Finally, what felt like eternity of blending out concealer, we now go in with our Wet n Wild loose setting powder, and this is in the shade soft pink, just on the under eye, and everywhere else we applied our concealer. I normally let the loose powder sit on my face for a while before I move on to the next steps. After I'm done applying it to all the areas that were concealed, I'll move on to my bronzer, which is the NYX Buttermilk bronzer. I live by this bronzer. I swear by this bronzer. It is like butter on your skin. Then I dust off the excess loose powder, then go in with my Wet n Wild Bed of Roses blush, and my husband making an appearance. I have no idea what he was looking for, but we carry on with the show. I then start using the bronzer on my nose to intensify and contour it even more, and everywhere else around my face just to bring back life into my skin tone. Then we use the Milani setting spray just to lock in that makeup we've done already together. Then the next step is to apply our Revolution baking powder. I normally don't bake as long. I think I waited a good 5 to 7 minutes before I removed it. Again, apply it to everywhere you applied your concealer. I love this pink concealer specifically because I feel like it gives you that young, fresh, very innocent looking finish compared to the yellow, where it can easily be too bright in your face if you don't apply it correctly. But it's neither here nor there. Both are just great. Then I'm gonna underline my waterline with a white pencil. I'm not sure where I got this one from. I can't even see the name on the pencil. It wore off. Also, am I the only person who ever experiences having something go into their eye as soon as they're done with their eye makeup? Literally, it happens all the time, and my eyes end up being red as if, I don't know, I was crying or something. If anyone has a solution to this issue, please let me know, because it literally happens every single time I do my eyeshadow makeup. Then we're going in with our mascara to the bottom lashes. I did apply fake freckles. I don't know if you guys have noticed that I'm into that lately, so all of y'all who are born with natural freckles, I envy you. Then some highlighter to seal the deal. I will always be a highlighter queen through and through. You can fight me on that if you want to, but highlighter is here to stay, and we are using the e.l.f. highlighter. Next, we are moving to our lip combo. I'm using the LA Colors gel lip liner in the color Figgy. This is butter smooth on your lips. It just glides perfectly on your lips. Apply as needed, blend as needed, and then we're gonna go in with our Fenty lip gloss. Had a vision, we went back to when we were at that Then to seal off this look, again, we're going to go in with the Milani finishing spray, and once that's dried up, I'm going to go in with the L'Oreal Infallible Setting Mist. Once this is applied, honey girl, this makeup is not going anywhere, and that's exactly what we want, and this is the final look. You guys let me know how you think I did in the comment section. Don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe. Tell a friend to tell a friend, and I'll see you in the next video. Love you always. Bye.